Tether tokens are the most popular stable coins because they were the first ones to use this idea. Tether, which is also called USDT, is a popular stable coin that crypto traders have used for years to make their trades more profitable. In theory, it shouldn't be affected by market volatility, which can change the value of other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, in a big way. Tether wants to offer a digital asset that is safe and has a stable value. If you want to make free USDT at home, just picture the following. You stay at home all day and make a few clicks here and there, and the money keeps coming in the form of USDT. If that sounds good to you, pay attention. Hello, and welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's a big moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any of our online money-making secrets. In today's video, we'll show you how to make money right away just by using these websites in your spare time. There are easy ways to make money on these free sites. All users around the world can use them for free. Here, we'll show you step by step how to use these amazing platforms and tell you what you can get from them. For this video to make sense, we need your full attention at every step. So, make sure you watch this video until the end. Before we start our video, if you're new to this channel, we'd like to give you a very warm welcome. We used to post reviews of free mining sites, free sites that paid, and proofs of payment. If you want to learn how to make money online from home, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get updates. Please like and share this video with your other friends. Before we tell you the mining site about USDT, first we talk about what is Tether? You've probably heard a few things about Bitcoin. What about Tether though? Tether is a type of cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin. In fact, it is the third most valuable digital coin on the market. But it's not at all like Bitcoin or other digital currencies. A stable coin is what Tether is. There are digital currencies that are tied to real-world assets, like the US dollar, to keep their value stable. Most cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are known to have a value that goes up and down quickly. Bitcoin, for example, hit an all-time high of almost $65,000 in April, but its price has since dropped by almost half. Tether was made so that it would always be worth $1. While the value of other cryptocurrencies often change, the price of Tether is usually the same as $1. This isn't always the case though. Investors have been scared in the past when the value of Tether went up and down. As an alternative to the dollar, crypto traders often use Tether to buy cryptocurrencies. This gives them a way to look for safety in a more stable asset during times when the crypto market is very volatile. But crypto isn't regulated, and many banks don't do business with digital currency exchanges because of the risk. This is usually where stablecoins come in. Here are the best manning websites for USDT. Hilano Faucet. So, this is how the first website looks. You can get crypto right away for your Coinbase, Faucet Pay, or Payer Wallet by collecting coins from faucets, passing short links, watching ads, doing fun offers, and a lot more on this site. Here you can see how many people visit the site. total number of users who have signed up, total amount earned, total number of withdrawals, and number of days since the website went live. Here you can see that the users made almost $24,000, which is great. You have to sign up to start making money on this site. To sign up, go to the home page and look for the Sign Up section. Here, enter your username, email address, and a strong password, and then confirm it. Now, accept the terms and conditions, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Register to set up your free account. You will get an email to confirm your email address once your account is set up. To get your withdrawals right away, you need to confirm your email. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard should look. If you look at the left side, you'll see that you have more than one choice. We want to get as many free coins as possible so we can turn them into USDT. Does that make sense? You can do a number of things. First, let's look at the faucet. Just click on Faucet in the menu along the side. From here, you can get 45 coins every 5 minutes, up to a total of 1,000 times a day. To start claiming, click the Claim Reward button. Here, you should click on the anti-bot links in the order shown. Now, solve the CAPTCHA and click on Collect Your Reward. The coins you've claimed are now added to your main balance. Every 5 minutes, you can do this again. You also have one called Mad Faucet. Just click on Mad Faucet in the menu on the left. You can get 7 coins every 30 seconds and 350 times a day from this spot. To start claiming, click the Claim Reward button. Here, you should click on the anti-bot links in the order shown. Now, solve the CAPTCHA and click on Collect Your Reward. The coins you've claimed are now added to your main balance. You can do this again in 30 seconds and try to get as many tokens as you can from these 2 faucets. We also have short links, which we think is the simplest way to do things. Just click on Short Links in the menu on the left. To put it simply, all you have to do is click on this blue button that says Claim, and then stay on the page for 10 to 30 seconds, or something like that. When the time is up, you'll be sent back to the main site, where you can cash in your earnings. Let's face it, there's nothing hard about it. It's not like a science. The credits will be added to your balance when you get back to the main site. For these achievements, you'll also have to do some very easy things. You can get more coins by doing simple things, like claiming 10 to 100 faucets or clicking on 10 to 30 short links every day. This won't take a little bit more time or work, but it pays you based on how much work you do. After you finish these tasks, all you have to do is come here to get a lot of extra coins without having to do any extra work. You can also join their program for affiliates. Go to the referrals page to find out how to get your link. If you copy your referral link and send it to your friends, you'll get 15% of what they make for life. Now let's look at the proof of payment. To take out your money, go to the Withdraw page. You can send your money to Faucet Pay, Coinbase, or Pay Your Wallet from here. We're going to send USDT to Faucet Pay to get our money. So, choose Tap Pay. Here, click on USDT and then Next. You have to type in the amount and paste the address of your Faucet Pay wallet. Then, you have to solve Best Free Tether Earning Sites 2022 Free Usdt Mining Sites Payment Proof No Investment. CAPTCHA and click on the Withdraw button for your request to be processed. Here, you can see that my request to withdraw was processed right away. We will show you my Faucet Pay account if you want to know more. Here, you can see that the payment from that site was sent right away. Again, this is completely free, and depending on how active you are, you could get paid well. Hatecoin. What if we could double that amount? That would be great, wouldn't it? We can definitely do it. All we have to do is go to this other website called Hatecoin, which looks a lot like this one. So after you sign up for a new account, please go to the faucet in the side menu. This is a 5-minute faucet where you can get 45 tokens each time you claim. You can do this up to 100 times per day. You have to click on the anti-bot links in the order shown here. Now, solve the CAPTCHA and click the button that says Collect Your Reward. That's it, you're done, and the tokens you claimed have been added to your total. You can repeat this process every 5 minutes to get free tokens. You also have a crazy faucet that lets you get 30 tokens every 150 seconds and up to 250 times a day. We also have the short links in another way. To put it simply, all you have to do is click on this green button that says Claim, and then stay on the page for 10 to 30 seconds or something like that. When the time is up, you'll be sent back to the USDT faucet, where you can cash out your earnings. For these achievements, you'll have to do more than just visit websites. You'll also have to do some very simple tasks. Things like claiming 10 to 100 faucets in a day, or clicking on 5 to 30 short links. You get the idea. This won't take a little bit more time or work, but it pays you based on how busy you are during the day. All you have to do is finish these tasks every day, then come here to get a lot of extra coins without having to do any more work. Now let's look at the proof of payment. To take out your money, go to the Withdraw page. From here, you can send your earnings in the form of USDT or BTC to Faucet Pay. So, choose your coin and click on the Next Step button. You need to type in the amount and paste your email address from Faucet Pay. After that, you have to click the Withdraw button for your request to be processed. Here you can see that our request to withdraw was processed right away. We will show you our Faucet Pay account if you want to know more. Here you can see that the payment from that site was sent right away. This is how easy it is to make money from these free websites. For more online money-making secrets, click the video on the screen now.